Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm here to do an unboxing of NewFrog's diamond paintings. I am so excited. The company contacted me and asked if I'd be interested in trying out some of their products. And of course, I jumped at the opportunity because I have fallen in love with diamond painting. So I ordered three from their vast selection. They've got like, I think almost 5,000 different designs. And I wanted to open this up with you guys. As you can see, this is a cute little white puppy. I chose this design because my brother has a little puppy, Cookie, that looks almost identical to this little cutie patootie. It's a Havanese poodle mix dog. And I just thought this image was so stinking cute. So like most diamond paintings, it comes like all rolled up. It's on a kind of a coated canvas, it looks like. And of course, it's got the numbers for all of the little diamond crystals. You can see that these are kind of in neutral colors, and then the background is just the canvas image itself. So I think this will go relatively quickly, and I think that will be a perfect design for my first diamond painting project. And I think it will make a lovely gift for my brother and his wife. This size, which is the only size they have, is about 12 inches by 18 inches. So the one thing I will warn you about is that on the website, they have this image behind a big sofa and that sort of thing, and that is not to scale. So please pay attention to the actual size that they list in the description, and bear in mind that this is a Chinese-based company, so the descriptions aren't in the best English. Each diamond painting kit comes with a applicator wand or stick with a little nib at the end, as well as a piece of wax where you can scoop in some of the wax onto that applicator nib, and the tray where you can put out each of the packages of drills for easy application. Each of the packages of the drills are well labeled, and my plan is to open each one up and then reseal them with painter's tape where I can mark with larger printing the labels for each of the drill bit packages, so I can save my eyes a little bit there. My plan is to kind of use some painter's tape to also tape this down onto a board, like a big clipboard of sorts. And this is a relatively small size, and like I said, the image only has the diamond painting on the dog itself. So I really love that. I think this will go really quickly. I think the other thing that I have been researching is how to ensure that this little coating top is reapplied correctly. I'm planning on working from right to left and to expose this just in sections. You can feel the stickiness there. And one of the little tips that I found recently, I think it was from Cheryl's Crafty World, is that to keep this covering, the protective covering, going the right direction, it's helpful to put like a little sticker on one side so that you know that if you end up taking this completely off and then trying to reapply it, you put the correct side down. So the back side of the stickers are white, and so I will know not to try to reapply this coating on the wrong side. So that's a little tip for you guys. The next design is this really beautiful kind of graphic. I wanted to go for something that wasn't kind of hokey or too country or too cutesy. The dog was cutesy enough for me. So this is kind of a more graphic design, and the background is just this kind of really dark midnight blue, and I think this will come out really cool looking in my favorite colors with lots of different blues. So that's why I picked this color. There are some warm tones here in the middle, but I think this will work with my home decor really well. And this one has, I think, more color variation, so it's going to be a little bit more tricky than that first one that was almost all kind of whites and creams. The last design is this gorgeous kind of explosion, and This has the design throughout the entire image. It's a little bit of a smaller image. I want to say this is probably, oh, I don't know, probably 10 or 12 inches square. And I wanted a square image, and I wanted this kind of exploding picture. This is, I think, going to be the hardest. And I wanted this because if you guys are fans of Doctor Who, you'll know that the TARDIS explodes to kind of reset time in the universe. And I thought I could color up a little TARDIS picture right here for a great little Doctor Who themed scene. So I'm really excited about this. This will be my third project. And that's it. That's my unboxing. I'm really excited to get started on these, and I will periodically, maybe after each one is finished, maybe come back and share with you guys how it went and my thoughts on them. If you guys are interested in checking out the vast selection of diamond paintings available through NewFrog, please click the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day.